Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the different types of tissues that compose the human body. And so let's begin. So the first one is epithelial tissue. Then I'm going to talk about the connective supporting tissue, the muscular tissue, and the nervous one. And well, let's start from the beginning. The human body is basically composed of four primary types of tissues, as I mentioned here. And we have the epithelial tissue, which is the first one that I would like to cover. And this one includes tissues like skin. When I talk about the skin, I'm talking about the epidermis and the lining of glands such as sweat glands and sebaceous glands. And the epithelial tissue is divided into three main categories. We can call these categories the surface epithelia, the glandular epithelia, and the sensory epithelia, and or the sensory epithelia. Sensory epithelia will not be covered here in this video, but I will find the time to talk about this topic in the future. So the surface epithelia cover both the external surface of the body, like the skin, and the internal linings of organs and cavities. The glandular epithelia consists of cells specialized for producing and releasing substance, either externally or internally. And just as an example, we have externally the sweat and internally the hormones. Now, the connective and supportive tissue. This group here includes the tissues such loose connective tissue, and the connective tissue will play an important role in metabolism and immune defense. At the same time that we'll be supporting tissues like cartilage and bone, mainly providing structural strength and mechanical support. Blood is also classified as a fluid connective tissue. Through I will not discuss now in this video, but in the future. Now we have the muscular tissue, which is this one, exemplified by cardiac muscle. This tissue basically enable the movement through the contraction of its cells or fibers, and it is responsible for both voluntary movements like walking or involuntary actions like heartbeats and organ function. Okay, this is the muscular tissue. And finally, but not less important, we have the nervous tissue. Maybe the most important. But yeah, this is found in areas like the gray matter of the brain, and the nervous tissue is highly specialized. It detects and transmits and also processes information from both the external environment and within the body, and this enable a coordination and response. Okay, now each one of these type of tissues will be explored in the future videos, so I ask you, please, if you can subscribe, hit the like button, active the ring bell, and then you're going to be aware when I share more of these videos here. Okay, so yeah, thanks so much. Hope to see you next time. Cheers.